Managing camera permissions on your iPhone 16 helps protect your privacy by controlling which apps can access your device's camera. Here's how it's done. First, swipe up from the bottom of the current display to get to the home screen. From the home screen, tap on the Settings icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Next, find and tap Camera. On the succeeding menu, you see the list of apps requesting camera access. To manage camera permissions, simply toggle the switch next to each app to allow or deny access. When you deny camera access to an app, it will prompt you to enable camera permissions in Settings when trying to use camera features within that app. When you grant camera permissions to an app on your iPhone, you grant that app the ability to access and use your iPhone's camera to take pictures or videos. You can change this setting at any time when needed. Just repeat the same steps to return to the Privacy and Security Settings menu for the camera app. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more relevant smartphone videos.